Alright guys, I know it's been a while, but it's time for another unboxing. This is the Craftsman Brushless V20 3/8 impact gun, or impact wrench. CMCF 910B. B is in a bare tool. As far as I know, that's the only way you can get this impact wrench. Haven't seen anybody unbox or review this tool. This is basically the same tool as the DeWalt DCF 890 Bravo, just with red. The spec sheet on both guns are basically the same. 20 volt max, of course, 18 volt. This one does say it's 165 foot-pounds. I'm guessing that's in reverse. The DeWalt is 150 foot-pounds. Impacts per minute for this one is 3,500. The DeWalt's the same thing. The RPMs for both guns, 2,800. Again, the only difference on the spec sheet I can see is the foot-pound rating. Craftsman saying 165 and DeWalt saying 150. Both guns are brushless. I did get this gun from Lowe's. I paid $115 out the door for it. Kind of one of them tools I was waiting for them to put on sale, but the best I could do is get 20 bucks off with a coupon. Retail for it's $130. Again, I paid $115 out the door. And as far as the other Craftsman tools go that I've got, everything is held up well. No complaints. This is Versatrack compatible. All the Craftsman tools I've bought have said that, but some of the tools have the hooks. Most of them don't. Instruction manual. It is brushless. The DeWalt that this gun mirrors is also brushless. You see it's a bare tool. No battery. No belt clip. This is a 3/8 anvil hog ring. This hog ring is the preferred fitment for me. I don't like the pins. It's supposed to have variable speed trigger, work light, lockable. Like all the Craftsman tools I've had, man, this gun feels good in the hand. It really does. And this, again, is not a cheap tool. That DeWalt impact gun that this tool mirrors is also a well-made tool. So in the next coming days, I'll try to get out and actually function test this gun and see if I can get 165 foot-pounds that they're claiming. Again, for something so compact, I think that would be good. Now, I don't have any 2 amp hour batteries. I feel like this gun with a 2 amp hour battery is how it's meant to be. But I do have plenty of 4s. That's the size of the tool with the 4. because of course I have the center locking position to put it in a bag or whatever. It won't, just run the battery down. Seems to me like the light might have a 20-second or so delay. Yeah, it's definitely more than 10 seconds. But that's fine. Like I said, all the Craftsman tools, this relaunch, everything I've purchased from them has been really good quality, held up well. I'll put this to the test to see if I can get anywhere near, for a gun this small. I'll try to get a 2 amp hour battery to see if it can actually do it with a 2 amp hour battery, because that's how I intend to run it, just to make it a little bit more compact. If it can get to 150 foot-pounds of torque, for again me paying $115 for it, that'd be well worth it. So if you guys like to see function test or field test to see this thing in action, just let me know. As far as weight goes, this thing is pretty heavy. Let me grab a scale real quick. Now on the box, Craftsman saying 2 pounds. That feels a lot heavier than 2 pounds to me. Yeah. 2.1 pounds. I don't know if that's coming through on the camera, but 2.1 pounds. It just feels heavier to me. Maybe it's just the battery. Yeah. So together it's about 3.5 pounds. Yeah, just shy of 3.5 pounds. And again, I plan on using this with a 2 amp hour battery, just because it just takes half of this off, and I think it's a real compact tool. I'm a mechanic by trade, so a gun with 150 foot-pounds of torque that's this small and compact is a useful tool to me. All right, guys.